All right, good night.
There's just one thing. Can we sleep with the light on? Because at the home, we always sleep with the light on.
Okay, we'll sleep with the light on. Satisfied? I don't want to hear another sound tonight, okay? Good night.